In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp broadcast campaign using Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you also have a list of users to whom you want to send the WhatsApp message or create a broadcast campaign for that, this video is going to help you a lot. In this video, we are going to show you how you can add those users whose numbers and name you have as contact in Pabbly Chatflow. After adding the contact, we have to first create a template of the message which we want to send to them. So we are going to cover how you can create this template message as well. And at last, after doing all of this, how you can create a broadcast campaign in Pabbly Chatflow using which you can send WhatsApp messages to all of your contact lists at once. Now, if you want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp broadcast campaign, for that, let me just take you to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on my Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can broadcast WhatsApp messages using Pabbly Chatflow. Now, before we start with the broadcasting process, we have to ensure that we have two things. The first one is we have all the users added as contact in our Pabbly Chatflow account to whom we want to send the WhatsApp messages using the broadcast. And the second thing is what is the WhatsApp message we want to send. We have to basically create a template of that WhatsApp message and get that template approved to use that template to send that message using broadcast to all the users on WhatsApp. So let's get started with these steps. To add a contact or to add bulk contacts in your Pabbly Chatflow account, from the left sidebar, go to this contact section. And after coming to the contacts page, here you can see that on the left side, we have contact list over here. So all the contact list which you have created in your Pabbly Chatflow account, you can see all of those contact lists over here. If you want to create a new contact list, just click on this plus button and then here you just have to give your list a name. Let's say I'll name my contact list as new lead over here. Then it is asking us for the tag, that if a contact which we are adding is having this specific tag which we are selecting, that particular new contact will be automatically added in this new list. So here let's say I have created 3 tags in my Pabbly Chatflow account, PC, PHP and new lead. And I'm selecting new lead over here. So let's say if I add a contact with the tag new lead, that particular contact will be automatically added in this contact list. If you want, you can add multiple tags as well. Then it is asking us for the opt-in status, that the contact which we are adding in this contact list, what is the opt-in status? Whether they have opted for the WhatsApp message to receive WhatsApp messages from you or they have opted out. Then after that, here we have the option of incoming status, that the contact which we are adding in this contact list, what should be the incoming status of those contacts, whether the incoming message should be allowed, blocked or both over here. Then also you can set up some kind of filters over here on the basis of contact custom field. So in Pabbly Chatflow, you can create some custom field and store the contact information, the user's information in those custom fields as well. And while adding the contact in your contact list in Pabbly Chatflow, you can set up the filter condition on the basis of custom fields as well. So if the contact is fulfilling this custom field condition, only in that case, those contacts will be automatically added in the contact list. But right now, I'm just creating a simple contact list named as new lead and having a condition that if a contact is having the tag of new lead, that contact should be automatically added in this contact list. Now let's click on this add button and here you can see that this new contact list will be added in my Pabbly Chatflow account. Now after creating the contact list over here, let's see how you can add a contact. For that, just click on this add contact button and here we have two options. Either we can add a single contact or we can import the contact in bulk by uploading a CSV file over here or entering the CSV file URL. And I'm going to show you both the process. To create a single contact, we just have to enter the mobile number of the contact over here. So let's say I'm entering this mobile number. I will be selecting the country over here. Let's say the country is India. So I'm selecting the country code. After selecting the country code, we are going to select the opt status, whether this contact has opted in to receive the WhatsApp message or not. So I'm selecting opt-in over here. Then here we have the option to add the name of this contact. So let's say I will be giving the name to this contact as demo user. And also we have the option to add the tag as well. So here I'm going to select this tag of new lead. And after that, here by clicking on this add tag button, if you want to create a new tag in your Pabbly Chatflow account, you can do that too. But right now we are just adding a single contact. We have entered the mobile number, the phone number, selected the opt-in status, entered the name and given this tag of new lead. Let's click on add contact. And as we click on add contact, we will see this new contact will be added in my Pabbly Chatflow account. So I scroll down here, you can see this new contact is just now added in my Pabbly Chatflow account and we have added this contact manually. Also, because we have selected the tag of this contact as new lead, and while creating this contact list, we have set up the filter on the basis of tag as well. So if I open this new leads contact list, you can see that the same contact is added over here as well. So in this way, you can add a single contact in your Pabbly Chatflow account. And if you want to add the contact in bulk, you can import a CSV file as well. So here, if we select this add bulk contact option, it is giving us the option to add the CSV file. And if you want to create a CSV file using which you want to import the contact, you can just download a sample CSV as well. So here, if you click on this download sample CSV, a sample CSV file will be downloaded. You can just open this CSV file over here, and then you can get all the headers, all the columns for which you want to basically put up the information, enter the details in the CSV file in the same format, and then you will be able to basically import the contacts using the CSV file. So if I open this sample CSV over here, you can see that it has 4 columns: name, mobile number, tag, and opt-in. And here in front of tag as well, what you can basically see all the 3 tags which we have created in our Pabbly Chatflow account. And here in the column of opt-in, we have 2 options, true or false. So we have that as well. Now what we have done, I have already created a CSV file of the contact list. So let me just open that CSV file. Okay, so as you can see, this is the Google spreadsheet in which I have basically imported the same CSV file, and in this sheet, I have added the details of my contact. I have entered their name, their mobile number, the tag which I want to assign to these contacts, that is the new lead tag, and the opt-in option as well. Now after this, what I want to do, I want to basically import all the contacts. Like here in this example, I have just added 4 contacts over here. But if you want, you can enter the details of up to 2 lakh contact into a CSV file and import it inside Pabbly Chatflow. Now let me just change the opt-in status. I want the opt-in status of all the contacts as true. So I'm selecting true over here. Now what we are going to do, from Google Sheets, we are just going to download the CSV file of this contact details. So in this CSV file, we have all the contact details over here. And then we are going to upload or add the same CSV file in Pabbly Chatflow. So I'll just click on this button over here, and from my system, from downloaded files, I'm just going to select the same CSV file and open it. And after opening the file here, you can see that it is asking us for the headers. So all the contact custom fields which we have in our Pabbly Chatflow account, you can see all of these custom fields as labels over here. And then here in front of this, from this drop down, we have to select the option. So here you can see that we have the option of name. In front of name, I want to basically add or map the name over here. From the column of mobile number, I want to add the mobile number. From the column of opt-in, I want to select the opt-in option. And from the column of tag, I want to add the tag. After mapping all the contact custom field details, just click on this add contact button. And as you click on add contact, here you can see that all the contacts which we had in our CSV file will be added. So here, if I go to all contact list over here in my Pabbly Chatflow account, you can see all of the contacts which we had in our CSV file are added over here. Also, because we have added the new lead tag over here to all of these contacts, the same contacts will be automatically added to this new lead contact list as well. So here you can see that the step 1 of sending the broadcast message is completed, where we have successfully added the contacts in our Pabbly Chatflow account. Now in step 2, we want to basically create the template message, that what is the message we want to send or broadcast to these users. For that, from the left sidebar, we will go to this template section and click on this template list option. Now we already have a dedicated video, a detailed dedicated video live on the channel, that how you can create these template messages. And also you will find the link of the same video in the description box below. Now in this video, I'm just going to show you a brief that how you can create a template message. But if you want a detailed explanation, we already have a video on that as well. So here you can see a list of all the templates which I have created in my Pabbly Chatflow account and which I have got approved from Facebook, or should I say Meta. To create a new template, just click on this add new template button, and then here the first thing it asks us is to select the category of the template. So here in this drop down, you can see we have 2 options, marketing and utility. So I'm just going to create a marketing WhatsApp message template. So I'm selecting the category as marketing. Then here we have to give our template a name. So let's say I'll name it as new message over here. You can give any name as per your choice. Then here we have to select the language, that in which language we are creating this WhatsApp message. So here I'm going to select the language as English. Now in Pabbly Chatflow or WhatsApp API, we have four options. We can create four different types of template. Either we can create a plain text template where we will be having the text message, or we can add the image, video, or document in the template message as well. Now, if you want to add some kind or send some kind of images, videos, or document, you can select the template type as per your choice over here. After selecting your template type, here in template header, whatever header text you want to add, you just have to enter that header text over here. So let's say I want to add the header text over here, and the header text will be shown like this in the WhatsApp message. Then after that, here in template format, we are going to enter the actual message that in the template form, that what is the message we want to send. So here, whatever message you want to send, you can just enter the message. And to add the dynamic fields, like after hello, let's say you want to add the first name of the contact. So what you can do to add the dynamic fields in template message, you have to enter the numbers in double curly braces over here. So here I'm writing 1 over here. So this is a custom field of 1 which is added over here. And here in field of custom field 1, whatever details we want to add, we have to enter the sample of those values over here. So after hello, I wanted to mention the name of the person. So let's say I'm just going to enter a sample value. And what is the actual value which we want to add in place of these variables? We are going to set up that while sending or creating the broadcast. So here you can just create the template message of your choice. Whatever message you want to send, you can create any message over here as per your choice. Then here you can also add some kind of text in the template footer as well. So here I'm just going to enter footer text. So you can see that like this, the footer text will be shown in your WhatsApp message. You can have a header text and a footer text as well, other than your actual template message. Then also, if you want, you can add some kind of interactive actions as well. Like you can add a call to action button over here where you can add the URLs or add the phone number to get the call or to make the call directly by tapping on that button with that message. You can add some quick replies button over here. And also if you select all, you can add all of these things at once too. And also you can send the coupon code. So let's say if I'm adding a call to action button where I'm adding the button title as visit website. So in this way, this particular button will be added. Or if I add a button for call as call us, you can see like this, the buttons will be added. Now on whatever website you want to redirect the user, enter the URL over here, or on whatever number you want the user to make the call by clicking on this button, you just have to enter that number over here. So this is just a brief that how you can create the template and what are the features you can add while creating a template message on WhatsApp. Now, if you want a detailed explanation of all of these things, we already have a dedicated video and you can just refer to that video to know more about the template creation process. But here I have already created a template in my Pabbly Chatflow account that is named as new lead welcome. And using this template, this is the message on WhatsApp which I want to broadcast to my new leads, to my contacts. So here in this template, you can see after hi, I have added a variable over here, a body field as one. So after hi, I wanted to mention the name of the person, the first name of the contact to whom we are sending the message. Then the message says, thank you for showing your interest in, and here I'm going to mention the name of my product for which I want to send the message. We are excited to connect with you. Our team will reach out shortly to assist you with, and here I want to basically add the service or for which I'm contacting them. Let's say I'm contacting them for product demo. So the message will be like, shortly to assist you with product demo. So here what we are going to do while setting up the broadcast, we are going to mention that what are the text, what are the details we want to add in place of these variables. So this is the template which I have created over here, and in this template I have also added a call to action button which will take the users to my website. So after creating the template and getting this template approved from Meta, what we have to do, we have to start the process of creating the broadcast. So we'll just come to this broadcast section over here. Right now you can see I have not created any broadcast in my Chatflow account till now. You can see the broadcast section is clear. We'll just start creating our first broadcast. Click on this add broadcast button, and here in types of broadcast we have two options, broadcast campaign and API campaign. So we are going to select broadcast campaign over here. Then after that, it is asking us to give this broadcast a name. So let's say I'll name our broadcast as welcome message. You can give any other name as per your choice. You can give any name to your broadcast. Then it is asking us to select the contact list. So if I click here, I have the option that to whom I want to send the WhatsApp messages via this broadcast. So if I want, I can select all the contacts which I have over here in my Pabbly Chatflow account. If I want, I can just select a single contact list, or I can select multiple contact lists as per my choice. So we have just now created a contact list of new leads, and all the contacts which I have in this particular contact list, to them I want to send the WhatsApp message. So that's why I'm selecting this particular list over here. So here you can notice that it is very important to add the users as a contact in your Pabbly Chatflow account to send the WhatsApp messages to them or the template messages to them using this broadcast campaign. Now, after selecting the contact list to whom you are sending the WhatsApp message using this broadcast, we have to select the message type. Either we can send a pre-approved template message which we have created just now, or we can send a regular message. But while sending a regular message, there is a condition. The condition is we can send regular messages to our users via WhatsApp API or Chatflow only during the 24 hours conversation window which is open over here. So every time we send a template message to a user, we initiate the conversation. And once the user has replied to that template message, it will open a 24 hours chat window. And in that 24-hour chat window, you can send any message of your choice. But if the user has not replied or the 24 hours chat window is completed or closed, then to initiate the conversation with the user again, we can only send a template message. So to start the conversation, either the user have to send you any message on your WhatsApp Cloud API or Pabbly Chatflow number, and then you can just start the conversation. Once the user has sent you the message or they have replied to your template message, the 24-hour chat window will open, and in that window, you can send any regular message as per your choice. You can write anything and you don't need any kind of template to send the message. But to start the conversation, but to initiate the conversation, you need to send a pre-approved template message only. So we have already created the template and got it approved. So that's why we are just going to select a pre-approved template message. Now after selecting this option, if I click on this select WhatsApp template over here, then here you can see a list of all the template messages which I have created and got approved in my Chatflow account. Out of all of this was the template, the name new lead welcome. Using this template, I want to broadcast the WhatsApp message. So we are going to select this template over here. Now, after selecting the template, here you can see that we have added 3 body fields in this template message. The first body field was the name of the person, where I wanted to mention the first name of the person. In place of second body field, I wanted to basically enter my company name or the product name over here, as you can see. And in place of third body field, I want to basically mention the service or the activity for which I'm sending them the WhatsApp message. So what I have done, here you can see that in body field 1, I have mentioned the name of the person. Now, while sending the broadcast campaign on WhatsApp from Chatflow, in place of body field 1, we wanted to add the first name of the contact which we have in our Chatflow account to whom we are sending the WhatsApp message. Now, how we are going to add the first name of the contact? Because if we manually enter the name over here or enter the field over here, it will be sending the same value, the same text to all the contacts. Now to do this, to dynamically add the first name of the contact in Chatflow, we are going to use the custom variables. So for now, we will just close this template message tab, close this as well. We will just go to the settings section over here, and under settings section of the left sidebar, we have this option of contact custom field. I will just open this contact custom field page in a new tab. And here at this page, you will get a list of all the custom fields you have for the contacts in your Chatflow account. By clicking on this add more field button, you can just keep on adding the custom field to store the details, the information of your contact. But by default, we have 4 custom fields. The first custom field is of full name, the second custom field is of mobile number, the third is last name, and fourth custom field is of first name over here. You can see we have 4 custom fields, and you can't just remove these custom fields. If you are creating a contact, these are some details which we add, and from these details, you can just use this custom field to input these details into your template messages. So if I copy the custom field of name over here, in a new tab, you can see that it is adding $name over here. And in the template message, wherever in Pabbly Chatflow, I will write $name. In place of that, it will add the full name of the contact. Now, in our template message, we want to add the first name of the contact only. So I will just copy the custom field of first name over here and go to this broadcast section, select the same template, and here in place of body field 1, I'll enter the custom field of first name. So $first name is the custom field of first name. And if we enter this in body field 1 or in any body field, if we are entering any kind of custom field, that particular detail of the contact will be automatically added while sending this WhatsApp message to them. So to whatever contact we are sending this WhatsApp message, the first name of that contact will be added in this template message over here after hi. Now, in place of body field 2, I wanted to mention the name of my company, that is Pabbly. So we have entered the same over here. And in place of body field 3, I wanted to add the text as product demo. The message was, our team will reach out shortly to assist you with product demo. So here, these are the details. So 3 body fields which we have created in our template message, and whatever text you want to put in place of these body fields, you can enter it over here. And if you want to send some kind of dynamic text from the contact details, you can enter the contact custom field like this in the body field value. After selecting the template and entering the details or the dynamic values of body field, just click on this done button. And as you click on done, here you can see that this particular template is selected with all the field value which we have entered. After selecting the template and entering the body field value, it is giving us an option to send a test message. We can enter the name of the person, we can enter a test number, our own number, and test this message. Try sending this message as a test message as well. So let's say I'm going to enter the number of a customer, of a contact over here. The name of the contact is demo user. And this is the mobile number. After entering this mobile number, I'll just click on this send test button. And as you click on send test, this same template message as a test is sent to this contact. Now, if I open the WhatsApp of this number, this test number which we have added, you can see that on this account, instantly within seconds, the message is received. And this is the exact same template message which we have selected in our broadcast campaign. Here you can see that after hi, we have the first name of the person, the same first name which we have entered over here in username. Then after that, here you can see we have the same template message over here. We have the same company name, Pabbly, and we have the same service for which we have sent us the message over here. And also in this message, we have a call to action button. If I click on this button, it will take you to my website, the same website link which we have added while creating this template in Pabbly Chatflow. So in this way, you can use this feature of send test message and test the broadcast campaign which we are creating. After testing this campaign, we have 2 options at last. After selecting the template and entering all the details, we have 2 options. Either we can instantly send this WhatsApp message, this broadcast campaign, to all the contacts in the contact list which we have selected. Or we can schedule this campaign to be sent at a specific date and time. So the current selected date and time is 3rd of April 2025 at 12:34 p.m. Now the current time is 12:41 p.m. over here. So let's say I'm selecting the time as 12:45 p.m. or 3rd of April 2025 and click on this Add to Broadcast button. Now as I click on this Add to Broadcast button, here you can see that this broadcast campaign is scheduled to be sent at 12:45 p.m. on 3rd of April, that is today. So within the next 4 minutes, this broadcast campaign which we have created with this template of new lead welcome will be sent. So what we are going to do, we are just going to wait for 5 minutes for this broadcast campaign to send. And then we will see that the WhatsApp message will be sent, the same template message will be sent to all the contacts which we have added in our contact list. Okay, so now the time is 12:46 p.m. over here. I'll just refresh this broadcast page once. And yes, here you can see that just now the campaign, the broadcast campaign which we have created just now is sent over here. If I click on this down arrow over here, you can see that it is sent to the contact list of new leads and all the 5 messages are sent. The message has been sent to all the 5 contacts, out of which the message to 3 contacts are successfully delivered as well. But none of them has read the message yet. But it has basically failed to send the messages to 2 users over here. So this is the complete start of the broadcast which we are getting. Also, after sending the message, how the message will appear to the user, we are going to see that as well. We will just go to the WhatsApp inbox of one of the contacts which we have added in this contact list over here. And yes, here you can see that on the same number which we had on one of the contacts which we have added in our contact list, which we have selected in broadcast campaign, the WhatsApp message is sent. In this message, after hi, here you can see that the first name of the contact is added. We have the second custom variable as the company name and the third custom variable as a service, the same custom variable which we have entered over here while selecting the template while creating the broadcast campaign. Also, in our Chatflow account as well, if we go to the inbox section, here in the inbox section, you can see the same WhatsApp message as well, that the template message has been sent to the same contact which we had in contact list. So I hope this video was helpful to you and it helped you understand that how you can send broadcast message campaigns on WhatsApp using Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any kind of doubts or queries related to this feature, or if you have any suggestions, you can always write us in the comment box below.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.